Doggy needs her hair done?
Yes.
Okay. You're going to make her very pretty?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, what a good job you do. I think she likes it. Are you going to be a beautician when you grow up? Yes, you're going to do hair? Oh, well, your hair looks very pretty already. I don't think you need to fix it. What? You see what I'm up to? I think you need to check your work. What a good doggy Justice is. You know what I think? I think that Justice deserves a cookie for that. Don't you?
Cookie.
Are you going to give Justice the cookie?
Yes.
Yes? Tired?
Oh.
No? What do you say to Justice? You gotta tell her to sit. Say sit. Silly girl. Oh, be easy. She's eating a cookie. You know what I think? No, I think that you should give Justice a kiss for being such a good customer. Well, she's very patient with you. Oh, you're not done. Ooh, careful. Oh, you gotta comb her tail. Can you sing your ABCs for me? Can you say A, B, C, D, E, F? Now you forgot G. H, I, J, K. Okay. That's good now. Can you say goodbye?
Bye.
Yeah.